Hello guys, ang scientific name nitong pine tree is Pinus Quisea or Pinus insularis. So every once a month we do planting. Kasi kung alam nyo, si Mother Earth kasi medyo nagde-deteriorate, alam nyo naman yun, di ba? So umiinit ang panahon, minsan malamig, sobrang malamig, minsan mainit. So we have to involve ourselves sa tree planting. Lalo yung mga ganitong activities kasi, guys, we need trees, not malls. Diba? So, ang mga trees kasi nagpuproduce yan ng oxygen which are yung kailangan natin, di ba? So, each person must plant almost 30 trees or 50 trees sa buhay niya. So, mo kung ilang edad ka na, computein mo, ilan ang natanim mo, 'di ba? So, ilan na 'yung natanim mo? Kung 20 ka, ilan ang trees, 'di ba? So, before ka sana pumanaw sa mundo, 'di ba, dapat makapag-plant ka, 'di ba? Okay? So, join us this initiative to kasi syempre tayo ang nabubuhay dito sa mundo. So, initiative, human initiative, 'di ba? So, care for the trees. Guys, we should love trees.
Okay, I'm Donald Maripe of Baguio City National High School, the advisor of BIMAAC. We are joining this eco-friendly activity because this is one of the objectives of BIMAAC. And we are in one with ONOC. We are encouraging the student members, especially the members of BIMAAC, so that they will know the true essence or meaning of the word nature.
May Robin Ginubog from representative of the RSPI, at the same time from representative also of UC, Bugs, and we are here to heal Mother Nature by planting seedlings like pine tree and help for the healing of the Mother Nature.
Imbarak ni Barangay Council as Committee Chair on Environment kay tulong mingon man alalay ni tree planting mambantay ni forest katoy antatiya og dani kay problema mga siya kadan ni waray opisina mana gobyerno mo lang ja sa panibat-bat mati forest sa bayan na watershed sa panititulo at sa tan problema ni kay
Is part of being a student, is maintaining our forest, and we created organizations for community service. That's why as a student, we are part of the community in maintaining our resources. And then, ipugaw dam nama, wadanan kanamedian, one nature, one community. And then, if we invite everyone, although hindi pa set yung date, we must be there.
Siya ni Tessie Torn, presenting the women's organization or women's club in Baguio City. And one candidate and nanalo sa ginangkahanan din. Representing yung organization namin na Kalipunan ng Liping Pilipina. In-encourage ko sa ating lahat na magtanim ng pine trees. Kahit saan ka lugar, magtanim kayo ng pine trees. Awag nito nga taga-buntok, patang. ito ti pangipakitaan nga. Talaga concern tayo. Oray no babasik na tao. Concern kami ti environment. Siguro na ito ti pakitaanan nga talagang nagiti officials tayo nga talagang they have to support us. Nga agasan na ta umuli kami ti bantay. Ag-sacrifice ka nga umay agmula. So siguro nga makita naman no kung saan natin sacrifices nga aramidan ti babasik na tao.
My purpose in joining the One Nature, One Community tree planting is to help in the preservation of our natural resources and forest for the benefits of the next generation to come.
I joined the One Nature, One Community for a purpose. I want to be a model to the young ones to start planting trees because we are aware that our forests are already denuded and it's high time for us to start planting. And if we do not start right now, who will start? So this is a legacy that we could leave to our young generation.
Basically, we joined on One Nature, One Community tree planting activity to give back to the nature. As we all know, the looming effects of global warming, and as for now, we are experiencing the different climate changes.
Hi, I'm Glennifer Perido and I'm here for the One Nature, One Community tree planting and I'm very happy that I'm part of it. And sobrang masaya na makita yung mga tao that there's a group like this organizing tree planting. And also I heard that they're doing this mostly and it's very good kasi sobrang importante yung tree planting with our environment for Mother Earth kasi as we all notice, not only in Metro Manila, but all over the Philippines, even here in Baguio, na-experience nyo na po yung mga drought and mga negative effects that Mother Earth is doing. Kasi when we human destruct the environment, Mother Earth reacts and it's a negative way for us. It's a negative thing for us humans. And for the past few months, past few days, we've been experiencing such as the Habagat, we've been through Sendong, Ondo, and all the climate change effect. And sana maging lesson to everyone that we need, it's the time that our responsibility to Mother Earth will be served. And tree planting is one of those. That's why I'm encouraging everyone to please do your part in serving Mother Earth. And one trivia, do you know that each Filipino must plant at least 20 trees a year? Have you done your part? I did mine and hopefully you do it.
Okay. Maraming salamat ulit sa mga nag-attend ng ONOC 3, sa mga pumunta rito sa communal forest ng Barangay Silan. Ay, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And this activity, this ONOC 3 will conclude our tree planting here in Trinidad and Baguio City for this year. Okay? And so far ngayon, nakapagtanim tayo ng at least 500 na seedlings, pine tree seedlings and saplings. And maraming organizations na pumunta rin dito na nakipag-participate para sa ONOC 3. Okay? And we are glad to say na magkakaroon din tayo ng One Nature, One Community sa Ifugao. So, magkakaroon man tayo ng ONOC 4 before this year ends, that will be in Ifugao. So, ngayon pa lang, inaanyayahan na namin kayo to help attend, participate, and advertise our ONOC Ifugao series. Thank you.
Sidang nilay yung sila Ay di umay, ay di iwan.